Camera nga sa gym. L.
Good ha? Semis na to, semis. Lahat naka 3 games na.
Ako sa mic boss. Naka 2 games pa lang kayo. Hindi kami pa 3 games.
Rebound guy, other one.
Ito na nga siya.
Pass to Umali. Pass to Duncan. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Raymond.
May naka-shirt ka ba?
Intercepted by Umali.
May naka-shirt na? Meron. Sino? Ben, hindi kaya shoot dito.
Same ball. Score! All 0.
May naka-shoot na ba? Wala pa. Wala.
Sir Duncan. Pass to number 18. Pass to Umali. Pass to Sir Duncan. 10 seconds to shoot.
May foul na yun. Sabihin mo, may foul na yun.
Sir, meron na po yung mga penalty ha. Number 18. Long. Fadeaway shot to Sir Pat. Wala. Rebound by color white. Rebound by Sir Pat. Kumaltag. Umali. 2 points by all Umali. Oltega. Dumidiskarte. Pass to Mikey. Foul.
First personal foul. First team foul na.
First personal foul. First team foul.
2-0 pa rin.
2-0. Wala. Mayroon ba? Mali?
Bakit yung ulak?
Wala. Foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Score 2-0. One more na po ang foul. Intercepted by Banyales. Side step. Traveling violation. Sir Duncan. Pass to Umali. Fumate. Pass to color white. Wala. Rebound by Ortiz taking 3. Ang na mo. Sabi mo. 2-0.
Kayo, 2.
Labas.
Sila, 2-0. Kayo. 2-0.
2-0 in favor of Inserpat.
Yung semis yan, semis.
Semis yan ha, semis. Foul.
Second
team foul.
Second team foul.
Sir Duncan taking 3. Wala, rebound by Umali. Pass to Sir Pat. Wala ulit, rebound by Raymond. Good ball. Intercepted. 2 points by color white.
4-0.
4-0.
Ano yung Adrian na yung malaki? Adrian pangalan.
Wow, all through.
Adrian pangalan. Adrian yung kasi nakalay. Mateo yan. Mateo na lang para. Mateo.
All through na ang foul ha, all through.
Dapat.
Ortiz.
Sila kainit.
2 points by Ortiz.
4-2. Miss na lang, miss. Ayun mo. Gitna na lang, bigay. 4-2.
4-2. Sir Pat.
Third team foul. Sino nakafoul si Mikey? Graduate.
Sir Pat taking 3. Wala, di mo ba? Ortiz. Pass to Ortiz.
Nice
Out of bounds.
Bakit ang pasa mo, Mon?
Pangit ang pasa po.
5 minutes 35.
5 minutes 34. Mateo taking 3. Wala, rebound by Ortega. Pass to Mikey. 2 points by Mikey.
All 4.
All 4. Last shot before change. Raymond by Sir Metz. Pass to Raymond on things. Behind the back, intercepted by Mateo.
Ang bakit mo talaga?
Taking three.
Change.
Wala. Raymond by Sir Pat. Good. Good. Yan. Mateo.
Ay!
Wala pa rin. Sir Metz. All four. Change score. Change score.
All four.
All four. Then all four.
Sabi na liga. Liga ng mga bida.
Liga ng mga bobo.
Panalo pala kagabi, Grabs.
Nice pick by Sir Pat. Wala. Limon ba? Monteza. Dumidiskarte si Monteza. 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Intercepted. Speed move by Don Chon. Tinigan pa. 2 points by Sam Dojan. 6-4. Taking 3. Wala. Out of bounds.
Panalo kayo, coach? Oo. Kami kalaban niyo. Tennis. Oo. Kami.
Ay, laglagan na.
Oo. Laking talo, di ba?
Good ball. On team. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala, limon ba? First penalty. First team foul.
First team. Mag-reset eh. May foul counted din, nasa yun.
May foul counted na po yan, mga sir. Pass to Mikey.
Hilig kasi ni Mikey.
15 seconds to shoot.
Bababa niya kaagad.
3 points.
Banyares?
1 point lead by.
Di ba si Banyares yan pala?
1 point lead. 6,
Ayaw kasi
7.
establish mo na ni Mikey yung bola sa kamay niya bago i-bump sa baba.
Wala, limon ba? Intercepted by Sir Rex. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 6-7, 1 point lead by Team, sabi na sir, 1 point lead.
Team Mikey.
Team Mikey. Taking 3. 3 points.
Maroy. Take favor.
Change favor. 8-7.
7.
2 points. All 9.
All 9.
Wala. Limon ba?
Nyari.
Wala. Kusyata good. 2 points. Ay, wala.
Tagal ka kasi ng hikaw mod. Labas. Yun ang mga foul. Sino naka-foul? Gitna na lang, gitna. Tayo lubusin yung hikaw mo mod. Huwag tayo nang warak yung tinga mo dyan.
All 9.
All 9.
1 minute and 54 seconds.
Ba't sequence? Apat 3 games na pala. Tayo dugo. Ako na katot. Why?
Foul.
Second team foul.
Second team foul. Ganun na po yung foul counted. 14 to shoot.
Nice. Wala, di marunong si
They won by Sir Pat.
Di marunong si Mikey yan.
Wala ulit. Limon by Banyares.
Dribble mo. Counted! 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 Counted!
Sir Dodger taking 3. Wow! 3 points. 1 point lead by Team Sir Pat. 2 points. 1 point lead by Team Mikey. 50 seconds remaining. Taking 3. Wow! 3 points. 15-13. 2 point lead. 2 points. Deadlock 15. 2 points. 17-15. Shot clock off.
14 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. All 17.
OT, OT! OT! OT, OT! OT, 1 minute, 1 minute. Kanina? Hindi, yung sa unang-una, pinakauna. Kanila? Sa inyo? Na-shoot? Kanila? Kanila? Sino una nag-miss sa inyo? Na-shoot? Na-shoot? O, sa kanila. Kanila.
Yung ball lang sa boss.
Dito.
Kinakamulo na. 1 minute. Overtime.
Sa 30 seconds lang siguro.
Last 1 minute. Ortega. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Tama yan.
Foul. First personal foul. First team foul. 14 seconds to shoot.
Second team foul.
Second team foul. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 25 seconds remaining. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Good. Wala.
Sere. At counted.
12 seconds.
Shot clock off. Oy, tabi dyan. Oy, bata.
Oy!
Nagugulo!
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Wow! 2 seconds. Official score 70-20. 3 points.